Hi guys! Привет всем! Shalom shalom Hebrew! Every day I answer to different people same questions about what type of skates to buy and what the difference between them. So I decided it will be a right thing to post this video visible to everyone. In this video, I won't advertise any stores or brands. I probably will do it in my next videos with recommendations. But for now, I just would like to share with you guys some basic information about what type of skates we have and what do you need to know about roller skates or inline skates and other important things to start roller skating. I think providing this general information how to start roller or inline skating will be helpful to everyone. I'm going to speak very simple English, so I hope all immigrants can understand me. You can contact me in English, Russian or Hebrew. I would be glad to help. Question number 1. What type of skates are the best? Roller skates or inline skates? I think it's very an individual thing. In my childhood in Latvia, I used quad skates, roller skates. When I moved to Israel, I switched to inline skates. I used to be an inline skater for years. When I moved to Canada, I switched back to roller skates. So from my own experience, I found roller skates more comfortable for me. Less pressure on bones. Also, I really like all these tricks with using toe stoppers on roller skates and other dance movements. For me personally, inline skates are great for speed skating and slalom, tricks around cones. Question number 2. Which inline skates are the best? Guys, there's so many brands you can buy, but make sure you choose the right model with option to remove or replace a brake. And if it's for kid, then skates should be adjustable up to 4 sizes. Question number 2 about roller skates. What model to buy? With heel or flat? I found myself skating more gracefully on roller skates with heel. It's perfect for artistic style, figure skating, and for dancing. I also wear high heels pretty often in my everyday life, so for me roller skates with a heel, it was a right choice for sure. I think if you are more about sporty style, you want to play roller derby, then you should check flat roller skates, no heel. Question number 3. Wheels. Guys, usually new roller skates come with indoor wheels. It feels so bumpy when you're going outdoors. So you will need to buy outdoor wheels. There's so many wheels which are good for indoor and outdoor as well. Recently I bought new wheels for myself and they are good for indoor and for outdoor. My daughter got new outdoor wheels. When she will go skate indoors or here at our home studio, we will change wheels, and with special tool it will take about 10 minutes. It's very easy to do. Guys, you will need bearing for your new wheels. For me, it takes long time to connect them, so I always ask for help at skate shop or roller rinks when I buy new wheels. Question number 4. Safety. Guys, helmet and protective gear for wrist, elbows and knees must wear. Pretty often people don't wear wrist guards, and it's wrong because it's easy to break. Question number 5. Where you should start roller or inline skating? At home or outside? By my opinion, definitely at home or at any other small spot where is no people, cars or corners around. I also recommend you guys to get my online video guide for beginners. Get basic skills, learn how to stop, how to turn, how to feel comfortable on roller skates. You will try slalom, roller dancing first movements. It's fun exercise program, even with hula hoop. And then when you feel comfortable, safe, you know what you're doing, then go outside and practice, improve your skills and enjoy it. So here is a shopping list for absolute beginners. Roller or inline skates, helmet and protective gear, outdoor wheels and bearings, special tool for changing wheels, and roller dance our video guide for beginners. It's available online in our shop www.rollerdanceowl.com. It's a good investment, guys. You buy it once and you can use it and enjoy it for years. Stay active and safe. Be awesome. Be awesome. Be happy.